Welcome to Lingala Institute. This Lingala lesson is about the word ba. If you want to say you normally use a knife and a fork to eat, in Lingala you'll say ba salelaka mbeli nakanya po na kolia. You use a knife and a fork to eat. Ba salelaka mbeli nakanya po na kolia. If you want to say something like the Ngafula family, it's similar to the Clinton family. The Ngafula family received visitors. Ba Ngafula ba Yambi ba Paya. The Ngafula family own cats. Ba Ngafula baza na ba nyau. Thank you so much.